fine children? Everyone be ready for listening of maths class? Yes children? So welcome to maths class, that is chapter 3, the continuation of chapter 3. Okay, what is the name of chapter 3 children? Construction of quadrilaters. So what is the meaning of quadrilater? These are all things we learned in previous class only. Yes? Now coming to, today we are going to learn about how to construct a quadrilater with 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. In previous class, what we learned children? If 4 sides are given, how to construct the quadrilater we learned. Yes. Now in this class, we are going to learn about 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. How we will going to construct. Now we are going to construct quadrilater. Now observe the problems children. So exercise 3.2. Look at your textbook everyone. Be ready with your textbook, notebook, pen, pencil, scale. Okay children, don't go to here and there, you have to listen properly. What I am explaining on the board, you have to listen carefully children. If you listen properly means definitely you will get idea about remaining problems also. Without teacher guidance, you will get all solutions. So that's the reason I am saying you have to listen properly. And everyone be ready with you. In this chapter, geometry box is most required thing. Yes. Without geometry box, we can't do any single problem also. Yes, children? So that's the reason everyone be ready with your geometry box. Yes? Pencil, eraser. Yes? Now textbook. Open your textbook. That is page number 69, children. In that page number 69, what is there? Exercise 3.2 is there. Now look at the problems. Construct quadrilater with the measurements given below. You have to construct quadrilater with the given measurements. Okay children? So what are those given measurements? Are they given? You have to observe. Quadrilater ABCD. First question. Exercise 3.2. First question has you have to construct quadrilater ABCD. They are saying. So which type of quadrilater we will get? We don't have idea. Which type of quadrilater we will get? We don't have idea. Now, quadrilater ABCD, AB is equal to, they are given 4.5 centimeters. AB has 4.5 centimeters. Next, BC has 5.5 centimeters. Next, CD has 4 centimeters. Next, AD has AD length is given to children 6 centimeters. Okay. Next, AC is equal to 7 centimeters. So in this, you have to first in this problem, whatever measurements are there given, first you have to draw the rough sketch. Okay, children. So solution. This is problem, children. I am going to do solution. First, draw the rough sketch for this problem. You have to construct roughly quadrilater ABCD. Okay, I am going to constructing quadrilater ABCD like this. Which type we will get, we don't have idea. First you have to construct like this. ABC. Okay children, in this they are given, AB length is given. What is the AB length children? 4.5 centimeters. 4.5 centimeters. Next BC length 5.5 centimeters. Next, CD length 4 centimeters. Next, AD length 6 centimeters. Then they are given AC. AC is given children. This is AC is given. AC represents what children? Diagonal. Diagonal of your quadrilater ABCD. So AC also given. How much they are given? 7 centimeters. Clear children? AC is equal to 7 centimeters they are given. Got it children everyone? Now coming to, you have to observe. So this is rough sketch. Okay. So now we are going to do using measurement, using like instruments. You have to do it. Okay children. Now you have to do it. You have to do it. So use the instruments. So what are those children? So you have to use the instrument, your scale, protractor, and okay. Use protractor, compass, scale. Okay. So first I am going to taking first What is the base of this quadrilateral, children? What is the base of this quadrilateral? AB is the base of quadrilateral. Use the ruler. This is ruler or not? Use the ruler. Take. Okay. Measurement of 4.5 centimeters on this. 4.5 centimeters on this. I am taking roughly, children. Okay. I am taking roughly. So this is not exactly. This is assume it. This is 4.6 centimeters. Draw a line segment AB, that is 4.1 centimeters. Yes. Next, so which measurement we are going to take in? First you have to, whatever values they are given, first you have to draw the triangle ABC, children. Triangle ABC. If they will give base side, what is the difference between this diagonal and that diagonal? You have to observe. They are given, for example, this diagonal means first you have to draw ABC triangle. If they will give BD diagonal, AC is not given, BD diagonal is given. You have to draw this diagonal triangle ABD. Okay? Depending on diagonal, children. So first I am going to take it AB line segment. I drawn already. So B as a center. B as a center. Use compass. Take the measurement on ruler, that is 5.5 centimeters. Use compass, children. Okay. Take the measurement on ruler, that is 5.5 centimeters. Okay. B as a center. You have to draw the arc like this. Okay. Next, same. Use compass. Take the measurement 7 centimeters on ruler. 7 centimeters on ruler. A as a center. Draw one more arc. It touches the previous arc. So where these two arcs are intersected at one place, that is we are represented as C. So join AC and BC. You will get triangle ABC. So AC is equal to 7 centimeters. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Clear, children? So ABC triangle we got. Next step. So what is the next step, children? You have to observe. So next step, this is step 1, step 2, step 3. So we got in quadrilateral ABC points we got. We want one more point, that is D point we want. Okay. So first, what we done in previous, the continuation of that one only we are taking. So triangle ABC. We got triangle ABC. This is 7 centimeters. This is 4.5 centimeters. And this is 5.5 centimeters. In this step, we are going to plotting the point D. Okay, how to plot the D point? As a C as a center, take the measurement on ruler 4 centimeters. Use compass. Okay, children. So draw one arc like this. Okay. Next, 6 centimeters. Take the measurements on 6 centimeters on ruler. Use compass. A as a center. It touches the previous arc. Where these two arcs intersected, that point is represented as D point. Okay. You can join AD and ABCD points. You will get quadrilateral ABCD. And mention the measurements, children. This is 4 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Okay. Now quadrilateral ABCD we got it or not? Diagonal AC we got it. Yes. So our construction is complete. So listen, children, in this problem, rough sketch is most important. First they will observe rough sketch only. Okay. Only rough sketch for total problem is depending on 4 marks, for example. How they will decide, children? 1 mark for rough sketch. Okay. And next step 1, step 2, the completion of construction is there. For that 1.5 marks. You have to write at a time only steps also, children. Step 1. What we done? Draw line segment AB, that is 4.5 centimeters. A as a center, B as a center, we draw arcs where they are intersected at one place, that is represented by C point. We have to, at a time, what we done, at a time only you have to write in words also, children. For that they are given 1.5 mark. Okay? So 2.5 marks. Next they will observe these units are there, children. 4.5 centimeters. If you are not keeping these units, if you are not mention these units, they will reduce 1 mark. Okay, children? They will reduce 1 mark. So total, last our conclusion is there. For conclusion, for half mark. How they will decide, understood, children? So rough sketch for 1 mark. For this construction, these all construction steps are there. For that, 1.5 mark, 2.5. Next, if you are not mentioned these marks, they will reduce 1 mark. I said 3.5. Okay, children? Next, our conclusion is there. For that, they will give half mark. Now 4 marks. Okay? Like that, you have to assume it and you have to complete remaining problems also. Next, in this exercise, next problem, children, they are given quadrilateral PQRS. They are given. Second problem, look in your textbook, everyone. It is very easy and simple also, children. You have to observe carefully, everyone. So 4 sides, 1 diagonal is given. Means first you have to use 3 sides, draw the triangle shape, and then after you will get fourth point. Okay? So B point. So what they are asking, PQRS quadrilateral they are asking. PQRS. PQRS. In this quadrilateral they are given PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeters and QR is equal to 4 centimeters. RS is equal to 5 centimeters and PS is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Next, QS is equal to 6.5 centimeters. So how many measurements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, children. In this problem also, first what we will do, whatever problem is they are given. First, you have to draw the rough sketch. You have to draw the rough sketch for each and every problem. So, solution. First, rough sketch. Okay, children? Rough sketch. First, draw the rough sketch. Which type of quadrilateral we will get, we don't have idea. For rough sketch, I am going to take in like this type of quadrilateral I am taking PQRS. So, in this PQ value is given 3.5 centimeters. And QR also given 4 centimeters and RS is also given, that is 5 centimeters, and next PS 4.5 centimeters. Then in this problem they are given QS diagonal. Just now in previous problem I said if they will give, it is depending on diagonal, children. Okay? It is depending on diagonal. They are given in this problem. In previous problem they are given PR diagonal. In this problem they are given QS diagonal. 6.5 centimeters. So in this problem first what we need to construct PQS triangle. Not PQR. PQR is any possibilities are there? No, not there. So that's the reason first we have to construct PQS triangle. PQS triangle. Okay, children? So first step 1, this is step 1, this is step 2, children. First draw the line segment, that is PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeters. PQ is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Use ruler, take the measurement on ruler 3.5 centimeters. Okay, children? You have to draw the line segment, that is named as PQ. Next, P as a center. Use compass, take the measurement on ruler, that is 4.5 centimeters. Okay, P as a center, draw arc like this. P as a center, draw arc like this. Okay, children? Next, same. Use compass, take the measurement on ruler, that is 6.5 centimeters. Q as a center, you have to draw arc, it touches the previous arc. it touches the previous one. We need where these two arcs at one place, that is represented as S point. S point. You have to join PS and QS. You have to join PS and QS. Next, you have to mention the results. 6.5 centimeters and 4.5 centimeters. Okay, children. Now we want one more point. What is that? Next step. You have to draw complete last dot figure. You have to draw it. Okay, children. PQ, that is 3.5 centimeters. Here also 6.5 centimeters. This is 4.5 centimeters. Next, use compass. Take the measurement on ruler. That is 4 centimeters. Q as a center. Draw an arc like this. Okay, children. Next, draw arc like this. Next, take the measurement on ruler, 5 centimeter, use compass, R as S as a center, S as a center, draw one more arc like this. Where these two arcs intersected at one place, that is represented as capital R, join RS and QS. You will get PQRS coordinated or not, children? You will get PQRS coordinated. But in this you have to mention measurements. 5 centimeters. Okay, children? So this is quadrilateral PQRS. So what I said in previous problem, total problem is depending on 4 marks. Okay, follow the instructions, children. So 1 mark for rough sketch, 1.5 mark for total constructing. Yes. Next, how many marks? 2.5. Next, this measurements for 1 mark, half mark for our conclusion. Okay, children, you have to do it carefully. Definitely use compass and scale, and yes, children, protractor also it will make, sometimes it is useful only. Yes, children, exactly measurements you have to take. Don't do the rough sketch. It means totally completely don't do the rough sketch. What I done, don't do like that. Okay, without the instruments I done. Yes, children. So don't do like that. You have to use instruments, children. And complete. Note down your homework is exercise 3.2. Exercise page number 70. Exercise 3.2. C1 and D1, children. Till the exercise 3.2 you have to complete C1 and D1 also. In C1 what they are asking, parallelogram ABCD. Simply they said parallelogram. So parallelogram represents what, children? Opposite sides are parallel. If they are parallel means they are equal also. Okay? That's the reason they are given only 3 measurements. They are given 3 measurements. So I will give the hint for this problem, children. You have to observe carefully. Parallelogram means opposite sides are parallel and equal also. You have to observe why they are given 3 measurements. You have to observe. This is parallelogram, for example, ABC. These opposite sides are parallel and equal also. If you know this length, we know this length also, yes or not. If they are not given also, we have idea. Yes, this is 3 centimeters means definitely this is also 3 centimeters because opposite sides are parallel to each other and equal also. Okay, children, and they are given one diagonal. Which diagonal is given, I don't know. You have to observe it and do it. Okay, children. Next problem, rhombus, nice and nice they are given. So rhombus means adjacent sides are equal. These are the adjacent sides are not in rhombus. So adjacent sides are equal. These also adjacent sides are equal. If we know this value means definitely we have idea about this also. If they are not given also we have idea. Yes, children, here also. Okay, like that you have to complete till the exercise 3.2 everyone problem. All problems you have to complete it, children. Thank you. We will meet in next class, children.